Everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create or generate a rack and pinion in Solid Edge. So let's get started. To generate a rack and pinion in Solid Edge, we need some input parameters like module, tangential force, linear travel distance, linear speed, and efficiency. The module should be in mm or centimeter. Tangential force should be in Newton or millinewton. Linear travel distance should be in mm, centimeter or meter so that we can configure the length of the track or rack. Linear speed should be in mm per second or centimeter per second. And efficiency we will consider 80 to 90%. These are the input parameters required for configuration of rack and pinion. So we have to follow some steps in Solid Edge to generate these models. So first step is to go to the engineering reference category from the ribbon area. Then in the reference area, we have option like rack and pinion gear designer. We have to click on that option. Third option is to fill the necessary input data. We have to submit all the input data that we discussed. Then fourth option, we can calculate the results and verify it with our requirement. So this is the option. We have some options. So we have to choose appropriate option from the options category and then generate CAD model. We have some types of the rack. First one is rectangular rack. Second is circular rack, but it is external teeth. Third one is circular rack with internal teeth. So these are the three options for the rack. Now we will learn this with Solid Edge software. So let's get started with Solid Edge. New metric part. First step is to go to the engineering references. From tools option, click on tools. Here is the engineering references in the ribbon area. In this drop down, we have option rack and pinion gear designer. On it, this is the input parameter and this is the calculation parameter. In the input parameter, pressure angle, module, application factor, gear accuracy and efficiency. These are the input required. Here is the calculation. Just click on calculate. Here we will get the results, calculation results and the validation report like pass or it is fail. Then these are the calculation dimensions for this rack and pinion based on these input parameters. Here we have options. Just click on options. Just we have discussed in the PPT the type of racks. The first one is rectangular rack. Second is circular rack but with external teeth. Circular rack with internal teeth. And second option is rack span calculation based on the find number of teeth on the rack or find linear track travel. Suppose we will select this one. The input parameters will get changed. Based on the option, the input parameters will get changed. Find center distance, find number of teeth, then just select this. The input parameters will get changed. Here desired center distance we need to enter when we have to find the number of teeth. Also, this is the unit correction factor for pinion and gear. And this is the width based on the standard. If you want to use specified, user specified, just click it and OK. You can enter here face width. So these are the options. Also, we can select the material to configure the exact result so that we can get exact result with the material. You can select here like CS55 for pinion, then a rack. You can select any material that you want. You can add additional materials also. FG15 suppose I have taken. Click OK. Now just calculate. Now it is failed. Just click on this question mark. You will get the result why it is failed. So pinion material strength is not adequate to avoid failure due to pitting. Also rack material strength is not adequate. So these are the failure criteria for this selected material. So cancel it. Click again on rack and pinion. Just mention here module. Create a 3D model. Just click on create. Your part will be generated. So just rename that part rack and pinion part 1. Save. Then second part rack and pinion part 2 and save. Both the parts has been saved in the folder. Now we will open that part. Open. So this is the pinion. The straight rack is generated. Now we want a rack with internal teeth. Go to the engineering references. Click on rack and pinion gear designer. Then go to the option. Select here circular rack internal. Click OK. Then calculate. It is pass. Just create. Suppose you want a report for these calculations. Just click on this report and select the path where you want to save the report. This is the text file and save it. The calculation result report has been saved at the desired location. Now just click on create. Rack and pinion part 1. Let us save 11. Enter save. Then second part 12. So both the part has been saved at this location. We will open these two parts. File, open. So this is the pinion 11 number. And second is a rack, which is circular rack with internal teeth. So this is the rack with internal teeth. With the same process, we can generate a rack with external teeth as well. The same process we have to follow. So this is the tutorial for rack and pinion generation or design in solid edge. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.